Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. This is an item that the company did send me. What is it? It's a DC to DC buck converter module. What does that mean? Well, this converts 12 volts to 5 volts. That's what this is for. It's really simple. It has a micro USB actually already on attached to it, and you can use this for your Ring alarm, anything that's a 12 volt system that you want to step it down to 5 volts. This is something you would need. Really super simple and very, very stable. So you basically have it hooked up to a power supply. I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you an idea, my little voltmeter here so you can actually see how it works. It's hooked up to my 12 volt power supply. Let me show you that. Hooked up to my 12 volt power supply, and I have it all connected. And let's turn on the power supply. I want to show you exactly how it puts out the power, how it converts this 12 volt into 5 volts. And I want you to see, so I have the clamps already hooked up to the power supply, as I showed you before, and this is all set to go. Now you can actually use the different things. You can cut this off if you want to retrofit it to the different type of 5 volt system. It'll plug right into the Ring. That's what this adapter is for. This was designed for that exactly. So if you have a hole in your wall and you have an old alarm system, take out that old 12 volt, put the Ring in, and this way you can hook this up and have full power all the time and always charging the battery. You don't have to worry about power supply, power issues. That's why you buy something like this. So it's a step down converter. Basically takes 12 volts, converts it to 5 volts, and really, really nice. 15 watts and 3.0 amps max. That's what it says. And this is really kind of cool. I mean, it has a couple of screw holes here, a couple of notches. You can actually screw to a wall if you want to secure it, or you can just let it hang in the wall. As long as these are taped off and insulated, the wires, make sure everything is connected. There's no issues with that. Make sure nothing is touching, and it should work great. All right, so let me just plug it into my adapter here, and let's see what kind of voltage. It's 12 volts going in. Let's see what's coming out of it. Okay, guys, I have my little reader here, my handy dandy thing here. Let's plug this in, and it's booting up, and let's see what we're getting out of it. 5.174 volts. That is good to go, and the amps are right here. It's taking 12 volts and converting it to 5 exactly. That is really, really awesome. I love it. Again, up to 15 watts and 3 amps. So certain devices in those 5 volt range should be no issues at all. But I want to show you it does work. It is connected, as you can see in the background here, hooked up to my converter. 12 volts going in, stepping it down to 5 volts. And that's exactly what you need for all kinds of devices. You can put an adapter on here. You can charge your phone on the road. If you have a 12 volt power supply, if you're camping, you need to hook up for a 5 volt charging, something like that. You can use a 12 volt if you have to step it down with something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend this. This is fantastic. It does exactly as intended. It's made very well insulated. You can see all the close-up of it. It's made very extremely well. I can see that nice quality. You come in multiple packing, 2-pack, single pack, whatever you need, but this is what you would need to do a step down from 12 volt to 5. Hope this was helpful. If it was, follow along, follow the channel. I really appreciate you watching this video. If I helped you, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, whatever media you're watching this on. The idea is to help educate you, inform you, motivate you to make a decision for something like this. Safe to do, easy to install, and don't be afraid. You can do it yourself. Super easy. All right, guys, hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.